Are you frustrated? You don't know how to use Dr. Jamal's USMLE notes? Step number 1. Read the resources that you have for the exam, like first aid and Kaplan books. Step 2. After you have finished the main resources, now is the best time to read our notes. The notes will refresh your memory and will concentrate on difficult concepts. Step 3. It's challenge time. This is the time where you start solving question banks. Spend hours answering and reading explanations. Step 4. A couple of weeks before the exam, review Dr. Jamal's USMLE notes again. Review topics you find difficult. Solve a couple of self-evaluation tests and get a different question bank. Don't forget to eat healthy, sleep well, and exercise regularly. And be ready for your exam. For more information, check our website, drjamalusmle.com.